Then on the left and right O2 sensor, you're going to see that there's a couple zip ties holding the wiring to the frame. You're going to cut those zip ties. And then you can reach up under the gas tank and find the connector and disconnect that. This is going to be true for the left and right side both. Once you've got the connector disconnected, you're going to want to make sure that you snake the O2 sensor wiring out from anything that it might get caught on, because we're going to leave the O2 sensors in the head pipe, and we're going to remove the head pipe and the cats in one piece. Catalytic converters, I should say. So with a 10mm tool, remove the clamps just past the catalytic converters. This should be similar even on the 2-in-2 low pipes. Then you're going to remove the nuts that are holding the head pipe to the head. In this case, it's I used a 13mm socket to remove both the left and right side. Then with the butt of my hammer, which is rubber coated, I hit side to side, left and right, back and forth to slip the connecting points off the cats off the pipe. And then with a little finagling, I was gently able to lower the whole thing down as an assembly. Now you can take the head pipe and just get it started slipping onto the exhaust. And you want to make sure that the flanges are sort of lined up with the port on the head. And then with my rubber mallet, I gently tap each side, left and right again, back and forth. It may take several tries to get the flange seated and the slip joint on the exhaust fully engaged. You want to make sure that it is fully seated so you have no leaks. Start your hardware on the flange. And then take your 13mm and tighten those back up. Repeat for the right side. Now you're going to put your O2 sensor wiring and connect the connector, and then tuck the wiring back where it was so it runs up the frame, and you can tuck both the left and right connectors up under the tank back in their original locations. Slide your exhaust clamps back and tighten those up with a 10mm tool. You're going to want to check these after a few miles and make sure that they haven't come loose, and retighten them if necessary. You don't want any exhaust leaks. Now you can route your wires and put on a couple new zip ties. Make sure that there's a little bit of slack at the O2 sensor itself. You don't want it getting pulled. Repeat for the right side. This bike is equipped with a carbon canister, so I'm only putting one zip tie up towards the top of the frame. The rest of it is routed out of the way under the carbon canister. If you don't have this carbon canister, you can use 2 zip ties there. Spread apart slightly, just like the left-hand side. Reconnect your battery. Replace your side panel, and that's pretty much it. Lower the bike, and you're done.